Join me as I challenge myself to go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers by diving deep into self-improvement strategies. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you an incredible journey that I've been on, and that's how I went from having 0 subscribers to reaching an amazing 100,000 subscribers. It's a journey that's been built on the foundation of self-improvement, and I'm excited to share with you the strategies that have helped me get to where I am today. When I first started my channel, I was faced with so many challenges. I lacked confidence, I wasn't sure if I was good enough, and I didn't know if my content was going to resonate with anyone. I also struggled with coming up with new ideas, and I often found myself wondering if I was doing everything wrong. I didn't know how to edit videos, I didn't know how to engage with my audience, and I didn't know how to grow my channel. It was a difficult time, and I often felt like giving up. But despite all these challenges, I was determined to succeed. I knew that if I wanted to make a difference, I had to be willing to put in the work. So, I started reading books, watching tutorials, and taking online courses to learn new skills. I also started setting goals for myself, both short-term and long-term, and I worked hard to achieve them. I remember staying up late at night, editing videos, and trying to come up with new content ideas. It wasn't easy, but I was determined to succeed. As I started to implement these new strategies, I began to see changes in my channel. My videos started to get more views, my engagement started to increase, and my subscriber count started to grow. It was an amazing feeling, and it motivated me to keep pushing forward. I also started to develop a sense of confidence, not just in my content, but in myself. I realized that I was capable of achieving anything I set my mind to, and that was a powerful feeling. One of the biggest challenges I faced was staying consistent. It's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing the results you want, but I knew that I had to keep going. So I created a schedule for myself, and I stuck to it. I also started to focus on providing value to my audience, rather than just trying to grow my channel. I realized that if I could help people, if I could make a positive impact on their lives, then that's what truly mattered. I remember the moment when everything changed for me. It was a breakthrough moment, a moment when I realized that I was capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. It was a video that went viral, a video that got thousands of views and comments. It was an incredible feeling, and it motivated me to keep pushing forward. From that moment on, my channel started to grow exponentially. My subscriber count started to increase rapidly, and I started to get more engagement on my videos. The strategies I implemented, the lessons I learned, and the breakthroughs I had all contributed to my success on YouTube. I realized that self-improvement wasn't just about growing my channel, it was about growing as a person. It was about becoming the best version of myself, and that's what truly mattered. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something from my journey. If you have a self-improvement story, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content, and let's continue to grow and improve together.